Hey guys, I'm just going to do a quick video here. Well, probably not so quick. Want to show you a couple things. You know, one of the nice things about what I'm trying to accomplish is I'm only using 6 stocks to track, so it makes life a lot easier. Here's a day I picked out, November 10th. And I'm just picking a date. If you guys want me to check a date, I'll check a date. I don't really care. November 10th, last year at 6:30. Yeah, this may be a couple years ago. I don't know. I do remember looking at the calendar. But anyway, again, I don't trade for the first couple minutes, so I'm going to run this thing faster. It runs 3 seconds quicker. By the way, this is Thinkorswim's, the on-demand product. It's pretty cool. And when I start buying, I have $100,000 to play with. When I start buying stock, it will show me the position that P&L open. And I'll open more than one position, probably even last time I did this, I had 5 positions open. So anyway, let's run through this. I'll be back in a couple minutes, and I'll put some orders in while we're gone, or I'll show you when I come back. But I'll get something going here, and we'll see what we can do. Okay, I bought a bunch of stock cheese. I was down. I wanted to be down, quite frankly, to show you how you can recover. So I've spent more than $100,000 in stocks. So I just bought 100 shares of all these right here. And I don't know if the Nasdaq's up or not. For some reason, it's not working. On Thinkorswim's on-demand product, stuff doesn't always work. Anyway, you can see right now AMD's up. So let me go to AMD since it's up the most. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to sell this, sell market. I mean, this is what I would do. I didn't expect to be up this much, to be honest with you guys. NVIDIA, I'm also going to sell this. Yeah, I'm going to sell that too. On-demand's slow sometimes, but I'm going to sell it. And I'm going to sell Tesla. So yeah, I mean, this wasn't really fair. I'm up $400. It's not what I planned to do. I wanted to show you, I guess, it's obviously everything's up a nice percentages here. This is what I can do. You can do on a daily basis with these stocks. You know what I'm going to do? Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to reset this entire account and start over. And make sure it doesn't go back to the same time. It's at 642 right now. Okay, we all agree I'm at 0? Okay, so let's go to AMD. I like this stock right now. Look at this. It's going up, but I know it's going to come down. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy it up. Buy the bid. Okay, I just bought it. Okay, I'm already down $8. Okay, and I'm going to sell it right now. Just put a sell in at 17, whatever that is, making $28. Okay, this is a little more realistic, probably what you guys are used to. I don't know why this SMC is not tracking properly here. Again, sometimes on this product, you know, I might as well just buy it market, see what happens. Okay? And I don't know. I think it just screwed up. Look at it, it's way up here. I don't think that's where the market is, but see, it's already... Intel. I'm going to buy bid here. NVIDIA. I'm going to buy bid. This one's acting up too. Okay. And Tesla, I'm going to buy bid. This is not the way I would do it. I would be a little bit more strategic. I would be looking at these stocks a little bit. And Apple, but I'm going to show you what I do. And again, this is all just paper money. Buy bid. Okay. Right now I'm down $89. This is exactly what I typically see every day. I'm down, up, down, up, down, up. By the way, MV is mark minus VWAP. I always typically buy above VWAP, so I'm guessing most of these are probably above VWAP today. That one is. That one is. That one is. VWAP's the purple line, by the way. This one's all Tesla above VWAP and this. So right now I'm up $44 for the day. I'm going to take a look at what's my highest P&L for the day. It's Tesla. So what I'm going to do is Tesla. I'm going to put a sell on that because I want to make $56. My dog is going nuts. So I just put a sell on that for Supermicro, and it already got it. Okay, so let's see what my next good stock is here. Ooh, I'm getting killed on NVIDIA. That's fine. Okay. Well, let's take a look at NVIDIA. What's going on? Oh, again, this thing's all messed up. But anyway, I'm going to put it, I want to sell this thing around $100. Making whatever. Intel, let's see if I can put a sell making around $30. Great. I'll come back to all these. I'm just trying to show you the strategy. And this one, I'm going to try to make $20. Okay? So right now, Just checking to make sure I have sells on all these. Sell, Tesla sell, Intel sell, SMCI, I'm not even in it. Intel sell, and okay, I'm up 120 bucks. Okay, why? These things are fast moving quality stocks. So I can tell you, I did on demand with a bunch of low, small cap, medium cap stocks. I never won on demand once. I would always lose on demand. So I mean, if I can't win on demand, then I'm not going to win in real money either. So again, I'm just trying to make a couple $100. Okay, guys. So it's 6:53 in the morning. I got this thing going every 3 seconds, so it's running faster than normal, which is harder for me to keep up with. And plus, I got my dog going nuts, which I typically don't have in the morning. So with all these distractions, I'm going to see if I can make a couple $100. So what's my biggest? Do I have any winners right now? No. Okay, I have no winners, but I'm going to look at these other stocks because maybe I can find AMD. So right now, I wouldn't buy AMD. It's coming back down. The volumes looks like it's dropping a little bit, and I can tell right now, even though it's above VWAP, it may not be moving higher just because of it's probably take a break. Supermicro, it's still all screwed up. I don't know what the heck's going on with Supermicro. Again, on demand is not perfect. Intel, I don't really like this, so I'm going to watch this. Love Intel as a stock, and the volume's precipitating, dropping off. So I'm going to hold this, just keep my eyes on it. Apple, it's going down, which is fine. It will come back, I know, because historically it does. And you know what? If I lose $60 a day or $80 a day, I'm okay with that. I just don't want big $300, $500, $1,000 day losses. But here's the deal. My guess is at the end of this day, I will make $200. I'm just going to guess. Okay, I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, I figured out what's going on. The chart's not working, but the ladder is on some of these. So, they're still working, but only half of it's working. This doesn't happen during a normal day. I'm down 166. Actually, I'm down 200, let's say, at 7:01. And we'll just see how today goes. I still think I can make $200 because I know these are going to turn around. But anyway, that's where we are right now. I'm down 250. Okay, I picked a good day because the market is only up $50 on the Dow. The Nasdaq, I don't know why it's not coming in again. This is not the greatest product. Down $300, $400. 300. Okay, well, I'll be back. Okay, quick check-in. I bought some AMD. So you can see I bought 100 shares. I'm up 41 on that. Everything else is down pretty big. Or down, okay? I'm down 370 overall, and it's 7:14 in the morning on November 10th. So, again, all these stocks move sort of in concession, a session, or what's the word I'm looking for, together, because they're all manufacturers, mostly hardware. So AMD makes hardware, Supermicro makes computers, Intel makes chips, Apple, we know what they make, a gazillion things. NVIDIA is a chip maker for sure, and Tesla, we know what they do. So I feel good that all of these things will move in unison when they're ready to move. But right now, they're not moving in the right direction, which is okay. I'm only in this thing for an hour and 15 minutes. And let's just see how this plays out. I'll be back. Just want to quickly show you I'm down almost $600, okay? So again, there, and I don't know what the Nasdaq's doing. That I usually have to have that number to feel better. This may not work out in my favor today, okay? That's okay though. I'm keeping an eye on it, down 642, 672. Let's see it, but we haven't had our stocks turn yet. And when they do, hopefully they'll come roaring back, because you can see they're all positive except for Tesla, which is down on the day, 0.29 or whatever. So we'll see if we can get this back to break even and then go into positive. But I'll get back to you.